Hello viewers and welcome to another session of Beginner's Guide to Autodesk AutoCAD. In this session, we will create another block for a kitchen accessory. Sometime in kitchens and some other times you may observe some cupboards in your layout. They could either be a top view or a front view depending upon the type of your layout. For that, let's create a square first with these specific dimensions. Without exploding it, let's offset it and create another duplicate square, but larger in size. Now, we will select the complete structure, go to the mirror command and mirror it from right here. So if we are dealing with a top view, we can use this symbolic representation for a cupboard. Or we can simply copy it from here and we will modify it a little bit to convert it into front view for a scenario where we have to give a front view of a cupboard. Just to give it a nice shape, we will go to the center at approximate distance of 0.5. We will draw a small circle. Now let's copy it. You can use CO command as well. Now from this reference point, we can paste it here. In this way, we have got two types. This one is for the front view. Let's write front here so that it does not make any confusion in future. Let's copy it and paste here. And here we can write top or top view. So you can save them as a drawing or as a block, and you can use them whenever you need in your layouts, specifically when you need to represent any area with some cupboards. So this was all about this session. See you again in another one. Till then, take care.